So for those of you who are watching me on YouTube, then this is OB live stream. Okay, so I'm currently live streaming this on OB, and I'm teaching several thousands of people the concept of TA, especially the application of technical analysis on Chiliz coin, so that you're gonna be looking for probably a buy opportunity or a short opportunity, because the goal of a technical analysis is to give you three insights. One is to show you the right place to buy. Okay. Two is also to show you the right place to sell. All right. And also, it could tell you not to take any action whatsoever. Okay. So that's three things: where to buy, where to sell, or never to take any action. Okay. So technical analysis of Chiliz. Chiliz. Yeah, let me type it in the group. Technical analysis of Chiliz. All right. So as you can see, like these are the three things that you are probably going to be able to achieve with the technical analysis. All right. So like I said earlier, I said one thing. The first thing is you're going to be able to know your entry and your exits, and never to take action. Okay. So I'm not contradicting myself when I say that you're going to be able to sell, to know this is the right place to short or the right place to long. Okay. Because when you enter into a trade, all right, it's either you are shorting or you are longing. All right. And when you close the trade, with reference to the futures market, whether you are trading futures on OB or anywhere else, okay. So when you are closing your trade, it is either you are longing the short position or you are shorting a long position. Okay, that's why you see something like if you're about to close your trade, maybe you are shorting Bitcoin, for instance, or you are shorting Ethereum, for instance. When you're about to close it, okay, you see button like buy, okay, like a green button buy, okay, because you are taking the opposite direction. Okay, it is different from reverse trade. Okay, don't confuse this with a reverse trade. Okay, should I even demonstrate this to you guys on OB futures? Well, but let me just give you the. So now, whether if you are closing a trade, you are taking a position. Okay, but the position is that you are closing. And if you exit a trade, you are taking a position. Okay, and the position you are taking is that you are doing what? You are closing your position. Okay, so which could mean that you are either long to counter or you short to counter in order for you to close that position. I don't know if that is understood. Okay, if you have any question with respect to these examples, you can let me know in the comment box. Okay, I'm always online. My business is online 247. Okay, even though I practice agriculture. Okay, and I love agriculture. I'm really passionate about agriculture. Okay, and I look forward to actually integrating my Greek business into crypto. Okay, but more than 85% of my income is from the blockchain and the crypto industry. All right, so meaning that anyone that says this, it shows that such individuals is always online, because crypto stays online, blockchain stays online. Okay, so if you are making money from this industry, you've got to be online all the time. Okay, so meaning that if you make a comment on YouTube or you ask me a question on OB, in the comment box or in the group, then I'm going to be here to answer all your questions. Like, once I get notification and I'm less busy, I'm going to fire the reply immediately. Okay, so you can test it out, you can test it, and you'll be shocked, you'll be surprised. So now, like I was explaining, I said if you are closing a trade, so if you are exiting a trade, if you exit a trade, then you are closing that trade. Okay, then consequently you are closing your position. All right. So if you enter into a trade, okay, you are opening a trade. Consequently, you are opening a position. So technical analysis helps you to determine your position. Okay, open position, close position. Okay, then which position are you supposed to take? Are you supposed to take a long position or a short position? Okay, or are you supposed to be idle? Yeah, there's sometimes that when you see some charts, okay, like you have a bunch of experience uh in this stuff, then the best thing at that instance is to stay idle. Okay, is to stay idle. Let me give an example now. I had a a pool. Yeah, I had a pool on the Telegram channel. As you can see on the Telegram channel, this is Telegram group, this is Telegram channel. So it was yesterday. I had a pool yesterday. Okay, so and this pool, I said, excuse me, I said, how are you going to trade today's FOMC event? Okay, long, short, do nothing. Okay, some were like, I'm not going to do anything. Okay, that's also okay in trading. Okay, the reason why there is a low vote on this pool is because I figured out that most people are not trading actively anymore. Okay, because of the market, the BSs and all that. Okay, some lost their capital. I'm sorry about that. If you've lost your capital, or if you've lost massively, I'm sorry about that. But some have a reduced capital and they are kind of highly conservative when it comes to trading. Okay, so I understand that perfectly. So, and if you compare this with today's one, when I talked about airdrop, okay, 26 people voted and all of them said yes to airdrop. Okay, like I said, we'll be interested in airdrops that got prospects, like airdrop that can actually make you a lot of money. So they said yes. All right. So, and I've made a lot of pools in the group where I actually know people's opinion and exactly what to do. Okay. So now what this is saying, is that you only have three positions in crypto. Okay, so there's some traders that will say it is two, but I bet to disagree with that. Okay, like I believe there are three positions: do nothing position, long position, and short position. Okay, not trading in crypto, okay, sometimes it's actually trading, because sometimes you trade the market by not trading. All right, it may sound technical to you, I know, but not trading sometimes is also part of trading. All right, so it's not every time you have to either take a long or a short position in the market. No, you don't have to do that all the time. Okay, there's sometimes you wait. You when you say a level of drama in the market, okay, and you're not even sure of which direction the market is going to go, it makes sense to do nothing. So these guys that said I will do nothing, they're also correct. Okay, they are correct. Okay, so there is nothing like a wrong answer here. Nothing like a wrong answer here. Okay, so yesterday I decided to short the market yesterday, and some profits were made. All right, because I knew right there that the FOMC event is not actually going to be positive. It's not going to have a high level of positivity in it. I was sure about it because when you look at the overall macroeconomics in the world today, you know that something is happening. All right, so now let's have a look at the Chiliz chart. This is Chiliz Z, CHZ. In the crypto markets, then we are going to be making OB as our reference. OB. So we're going to search for OB. Yeah. So whenever I'm doing OB live stream, I like to I like to load charts directly from the OB global. Okay. So now let's have a look at this chart. But we have a deeper look. Okay. We're going to do some research. Let me see if you guys have any comments Let me see if you guys have any comments on OB. Okay, so I can respond to that comment accordingly. Okay, so let me see. I'm trying to go through that. So So okay, yeah, I guess you guys are flowing with me. Okay, and that's quite impressive. So there is no question yet, but whenever you have any question, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below, or don't hesitate to ask me the question. This is why we are here. Okay, this is why Obi, got a couple of ambassadors, KOL live streamers together. If I check my record, we have about 50, about 56 or 57, yeah, 56 um live streamer and Obi, okay, for an exchange to actually take their time, go through applications, then before they're able to recruit KOL ambassadors, live streamers, before they have someone as an ambassador or a live streamer, that person must be good, yeah, must be awesome. Like they're going to check you out before you actually get here. So if you want to apply as KOL ambassador, okay, uh, you need to be good, okay, and you need to know exactly what you're doing. All right. So anyone you see here who is a live streamer, they know what they're talking about. Okay. So and they have a couple of experience. He's not someone that started trading crypto last year. So most ambassadors, they have like a minimum of 4 years experience in the crypto world. So they have a lot of things to share with you. All right. So um, the goal is to make you a better trader. That's the goal, I believe, is to make you a better trader, to make you stick around, and see OB as a good ecosystem. All right. And truly is a good ecosystem because how many trading platforms today are having a community like this? Okay. How many of them? Only about 2% of them. Okay, only about 2% of them. And Obi is the leader. Like they actually pioneered this. So if you say another platform that is doing this, they are actually copying Obi. That's exactly what they are doing. All right. So what there is not part in copying. Okay, the entire crypto world is about copying and pasting. We all know that. But when you fork a blockchain, you fork a code. When you fork anything, you're actually copying what works. Okay, so for something to be forked, it's an indication that that thing is working. So for it to be copied by someone else, it is a strong indication that what you're doing is working. So that is it. That is it. So uh, now we need to have a look at the history of Chiliz. We're not going to be looking at daily chart, in isolation. It's not making sense. So let's have a look at Chiliz on a weekly time frame. Okay, on a weekly time frame. Well, this is a coin that got to 95 cents in 2021. Okay, and now they are trading a little bit below 40 cents right now. Okay, so uh, what has really happened to Chiliz? The bear market has happened to Chiliz. Okay, and it keeps going downward on a downward spiral. Okay, can you see this on a downward spiral? So this is uh like I think I taught you guys a strategy, where I talked about the market structure. Okay, I talked about the market structure, talking about the lower low, lower high, higher lows, and how you can use that to determine, your decision in the market. So um how you can use that to determine your positions in the market. All right. So as you can see, look at this chart now. What can you guys make? Like, what conclusion can you make from these charts? Okay. What conclusion can you make from this chart? Okay. So like it's trapped entirely in this channel. As you can see, it's trapped entirely in this. And you can see that uh, it is forming a sort of uh, let me say sort of triangle right here. Okay, so when you look at this, so I'll stretch this a little bit to this point. Yeah, So uh anytime that Chiliz is able to hit this triangle, okay, you know that another lower high is about to be formed. That is, when you look at the chart holistically on a weekly time frame, all right, holistically on a weekly time frame. But I'm going to be making this analysis in a way that we can trade this on a lower time frame. I just wanted to give you guys a sort of bird high view. You know, like when you see a eagle, like when you see a bird, and that bird is actually, flying at a high altitude. Okay, the bird could see almost everything at a very long radius. Okay, at a very long radius, it could see everything at a very long radius. So, for that is the reason why I say a bird high view. Like, so when you're trying to see things holistically, okay, you're trying to see things from a broader perspective. So that's how you look at that chart. So that's one of the technical details you have to look out for. But before we do that, let's have a look at the coin market cap, coinmarketcap.com. Okay, coinmarketcap.com. Then the next thing we'd like to do, from here is to search for Chiliz. They have their own blockchain. Okay, Chiliz is ranked as number 40 something, that's 48 crypto, and they have a market cap that is almost $1 billion market cap, and their FDMC is 1.22 billion. That's the FDMC, and it is enjoying a good volume. Okay, it's enjoying a good volume. And if you look at the volume to market cap ratio, it is incredible. Okay, it shows a lot of interest in this, because when you search for, let's look at Ethereum. Well, let's look at Ethereum. Then this is Ethereum, right? Then you look at the market cap to volume ratio, or volume to market cap ratio. Then what do you see? 0.05, not even up to 0.1. Okay, and Chiliz right here, is at where is Chiliz? Yeah, and Chiliz right here, Chiliz Chz, Chiliz right here is at 0.176. Okay, only a few crypto right now have more than 0.1 volume to market cap ratio. Okay, right now only a few crypto projects. Okay, so and they've got their own blockchain. They've got their own native blockchain. So quickly, guys, if you are watching this on YouTube, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And how do you find Crypto Niche on YouTube? It is quite simple. So go to youtube.com. Okay, irrespective of your country, go to youtube.com. Then when you get to YouTube, search for Crypto Niche channel. Type it in full. Yeah, Crypto Niche channel. Then this is the channel. Okay, so you got to click on this. So when you click on this now, then you see this page, a bunch of videos for you, to get started, and become a better trader. Okay, so like, and this channel is going to make you a better trader. It's going to make you a better job at crypto. Like, it's going to open your eyes to a lot of opportunities in the crypto market. I share a lot of things. Okay, this is like a university on its own. Okay, a university with over 140 valuable crypto videos. That's incredible. If you ask me, that is incredible, right? So and you can even go to you can even go to the playlist if you want. Like I even recommend that. And if you're a beginner in crypto, there is a playlist right here. Look at this. Crypto trading for beginners. Okay, crypto trading for beginners. So that is awesome. Okay, that is awesome. crypto trading for beginners. So let me try and zoom this. Okay, for those who can see this very well. So crypto trading for beginners. Okay, so this is a playlist for you if you're just getting started in crypto and you want to get the hang of the crypto market. This is going to help you a lot. It's like a knowledge base. Yeah, a crypto trading knowledge base for beginners. All right, so nothing is advanced here. I explained everything as if I was talking to a 10-year-old boy. Yeah, so I'm sure you're grown up guys. Many of you are more than 18 years old, so you should be able to understand everything that I taught in that course. Okay, it's a free course on YouTube. Just go try and go through it. So now, this is Chiliz website. They have their blockchain explorer, Chiliz 2.0, Chiliz X, about the company, their history, team, careers, press release, contact, frequently asked questions, gameuse.com. Like, one of the reasons why I'm kind of bullish about this project is because entertainment industry is evergreen. Entertainment industry is evergreen, and sports is part of entertainment. Okay, sports, gambling, betting, um, um, virtual game like PS, all of these things they provide some sort of entertainment to people. And when you see a project that is at the forefront, you know, in one of the entertainment sectors, then it makes sense to be bullish on such project. All right, it makes sense to be bullish on such projects. So just go through the websites, because after the whole of the technical analysis, you just need some belief analysis. Okay, and one of the ways you do a belief analysis is possibly when you read about the project and you have this personal conviction about it. Okay, and you have this personal conviction about it, so it gives you that confidence to trade the that asset, the asset. So that's some sort of confidence that it gives to you. Okay, that's some sort of confidence that it gives to you. So let's go back to coin market cap. Let's have a look at the history. All okay, this is a period that's really been existing since 2019. Okay, and they struggled in 2020. They struggled and struggled, and not until 2021 that they started experiencing some sort of uptrend. Okay, and boom, here is it. Okay, it was massive. Like, people did like more than 20x, 20x, 30x by holding Chiliz coin. All right, so as you can see, side trading from 0.07 at 0.17, that is 10x, at 0.34, that is 20x. That is over 20x return on investment. So here is the question: can Chiliz do it again? Yes, I believe. Okay, because although it was quite easy for Chiliz when the circulating supply was still small. Okay, but now they have a bigger circulating supply. I believe I'm tipping them from, sorry, I'm tipping them for 10x, 15x, but 25x, that's going to be very hard. Okay, that's going to be very hard. Okay, so this is the max supply, total supply. I kind of like people that have this level of supply. Okay, like they have a cap to the supply, and they're kind of 31% close to maxing out their supply. So that's a viable project, meaning that the total emission is going to be small. So now that you can see, let's have a look at the other metrics like the all-time high, all-time low, and all of these metrics that have been. Let's also have a look at it. So when you see this now, this is Chili's price. Okay, current price, the all-time all-time low, and even at this point in time, those who got in at all-time low 3 years ago, they are still having 5x profits. Okay, that's incredible. That's incredible. So let's have a look at the charts on the lower time frame. Okay, but generally on this time frame, you can see that it is bearish. Yeah, it is bearish. That is the general sentiment. It is bearish. So I'm going to switch this to 1 day and have a look. Okay, and have a look. Okay, so when you have a look at this level, okay, still what? Okay, still bearish even on this time frame. Like it is still bearish even on this time frame. All right. So the fact that it is bearish on this time frame, what should you look out for? I'm gonna extend this a bit. Where are the major supports in recent times? Okay, that's another thing you have to like pay attention to. Where are the major supports on Chiliz in recent times? Okay, it's actually been finding support here in recent times. Okay, it's been finding some support here in recent times, and recently, some weeks ago, it broke that support completely. All right, it broke that support completely. So where could be the possible next support? The next possible support is here. Okay, this is the next possible support. All right. So when support is here, how do you trade this? Okay, how do you trade this when the support is here? So, and if you try to measure this, let me try and measure this between here and there, and that support, that is 45% difference. All right, 45% difference. That is minus 45% difference. All right. So, uh, what I'm saying is that there is still a possibility that Chiliz could, Chiliz could actually test this support once more. Okay, before it's going to rally up. Okay, it's going to test support once more before it is going to rally up. That is like guaranteed. Okay, I can guarantee that. So you're going to find Chiliz at 0.09. Okay, pretty soon. Okay, that could be January, possibly. Okay, but it's going to get there. Okay, it's going to get there. So you're going to see something like this, test of this support before you experience something like this. Okay, so what's that? So before you experience something like this on Chiliz, that is my prediction. Okay, that is my prediction. But can we trade this? How can we trade this on a shorter time frame and make some money from it? I'm going to show you. Just relax. I'm going to show you. Let me see if you guys have any question. I want to see if there's any question on. So I'm going to trade this on. I'm going to try and trade this on 4 hours time frame. But before I do that, let me go to Obi. Let me check the comment box and see if you have uh, questions in the chats. Okay, I want to see if you have some questions in the chats. Someone is trying. Let me reply this. Let me reply this. Okay. Like when people are asking questions, I don't like to. When people are engaging my live stream, I love to engage them also because it does not make sense if people engage your content and you are not reciprocating it, okay, that's a bad habit. Okay, so if you're a creator, if you're a content creator, or you are an influencer, you have to try as much as possible and engage your audience. Okay, you have to try as much as possible and engage your audience. So that is quite important. That's quite important. Like I said, another thing, okay, another thing that you need to do is, possibly give them a shout out, everything just to make your followers feel good. Okay, just to make them feel special. Everybody deserves to feel good. Everybody deserves to be special, and it is your job to make people feel special, feel good. Okay, so so guys, I graduated from the Hotach University yesterday. I got a nano degree in blockchain studies. So for those who are going to be interested in advancing their career in this industry, it makes sense to obtain a high level certification. It's going to help you a lot. So all I'm saying in essence is that this is my price prediction. Okay, like this is going to be the possible movement for Chiliz. As you can see, this is the next possible support on this chart, and I'm not really saying Chiliz breaking the support downward further, but it's going to break it a little bit. It's going to test the support, and boom, it's going to rally up again. All right, because by the time, possibly it could tell the support by January, February, okay, possibly. And by the time it tells the support, they're going to be having another season, in European leagues and all that. And when we're having those seasons in European leagues, then the price will actually go up also, because a lot of projects are built on this blockchain. You can say their partners from Barca Football Club, UFC, uh, AS Roman, like several clubs, top clubs across the world. They're in partnership with Chiliz. All right, so uh, they're in partnership with them, and this is the rocket that is fuelingsocials.com. That is where you trade your favorite fan token. You can see um, so there's a lot of fundamentals that actually make that become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Okay, so this social.com for a fan engagement platform is built from the ground up on the Chiliz blockchain infrastructure and uses Chiliz as its exclusive on-platform currency. So social.com allows fans to purchase branded fan tokens from some of the biggest and most renowned sports teams in the world, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, PSG, AS Roma, Galatasaray, Atletico de Madrid, OG, CIA, sorry, CAI, not CIA, CAI, and UFC. Okay, so like by next year, we're going to be having a new season, a new football season for these clubs, and that's going to provide a fertile ground, for Chiliz to actually rally up, after testing this support. So now, how do you trade Chiliz? That's the question on the shorter time frame. So I'm going to delete all of this now. I think you have a broader perspective of the chart. So I'm going to delete this. So I'm going to Control Z all of this and remove them. Yeah. So I'm going to switch back to 4 hours time frame, so you can have an idea of. Sorry, man. So you can have an idea of the best way to trade this on a shorter time frame. So this is 4 hours time frame. Let me make the charts appear even better. Okay. So on the 4 hours time frame, as you can see, okay, I have this bias, okay, that it makes sense because this is I have this bias that this is going to go down. Forget about these candles that you're seeing, okay. Though this looks like a rejection candle, for the bear, okay, but this is just like a fake rejection, a fake rejection candle. Yeah, this is just like a fake rejection candle, and I still believe that it makes sense to place your bid. Okay, place your bid right here. Okay, place your bid at 0.14. at this. So I'm going to place my bid here. Where is the text? I'm going to place my sell order, sell limit order here. Yeah. So I'm going to place my sell limit order here. Okay. Sell limit order here. And the next sell limit order I'm going to place that, I'm going to short it at current market price, or probably place another one at 0.139. Okay. But this is the right place to place your sell order. Okay. Because obviously there is a lot of, there is a lot of liquidity right here. So there is a lot of liquidity right here at this point. Okay. And that liquidity is going to reject that price. Okay. So when there is like an uptrend, it could be, in fact, it could be a week, and the order could get filled because of that week. Okay. So it could be a week that will push it to this level. Then make sure you place your short position right here. Okay. If it is here, then definitely it's going to be rejected. Once it is rejected, you can place a short with 5x. If you are cocky, like you have this large risk appetite, why not? You can place a short with 10x. Yeah, with 10x. The reason why you can place a short with 10x is because the volume is massive. One, then aside the volume, they have a large market cap. Okay, $845 million market cap in a bear market is a big deal, right? It's a big deal. It's a big deal. Okay, so it's not like, if you are actually shorting a coin that's having like 10 million market cap, if anybody should decide to buy that token with 1 million, then you will likely be wrecked. Okay, because the market cap is low. Okay, so if you are trading coins with low market cap, you have to trade carefully. You have to be careful, like extremely careful, because like any dolphin, not even will, okay, any dolphin can actually take you out of the position and get you liquidated. All right. So, but someone is going to take you out of the position right here. You need to pump at least, let me say, at least $400 million to the market. Okay, so that's why you need to use a reasonable leverage on your trade. So I'm going to place a sell limit order here and wait for it to get filled. Okay, using about 2 to 5% of my holdings of my capital. I'll use that to place a short order here and see how far it will go. Okay, and see how far it will go. So sorry, I was supposed to write place. Anyways, yeah. So I'm going to place my sell limit order here. Okay, and once that order is filled, then there's going to be a rejection. Okay, there's going to be a price rejection. So when there is a price rejection, then you see something like this. Okay, at 0.136, you're gonna be in profits. Okay, and if you can wait a little longer, why not? Okay, why not? You could take a profit here at this point in time. You could take a profit right here. Okay, there's nothing bad in that. So you can take a profit here. So I'm gonna take profits here. Okay, so that makes sense. So then I could take, sorry guys. So at this point here, I will take partial profits here and allow the rest of the trade to run. So yeah, wow, that is too long. Profit here. So the analysis of the trade. Yeah, something like this. I think it makes sense this way. So somewhere here you could take you could take partial profits here and allow the rest of the trade to run. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll make it I'll make it 10. Yeah, so that it can be smaller. So it can be smaller. Exactly. So that's what I'm going to be. That's the a nice strategy to trade this. Yeah, that's a nice and absolutely nice strategy to trade this because you are not going to take profits all at the same time. Okay, so I think I showed you guys uh like how to trade the market with confidence and without actually incurring losses. Yeah, I think I showed you guys already how to do that. Um, like just go through some of the live streams I've done on OB. Okay, follow me on OB right now. Okay, that's important for me, and it's also important for you that you follow me on OB right now. Okay, so follow me on OB. So hello guys, I want to reply my viewers. Hold on, please. Hello friends. Got any question? So that's a nice strategy that I'm going to use to trade this pair, right? And if you are trading this on, if you are trading this on, if you are trading this on spot markets, if you want, you can open, you can launch a bot, like use martingale bot, because I've discovered that martingale bot is way more profitable than the other grid bot. So use martingale bot on OB for this. Okay. Um, I think maybe in the next live stream, I could probably do technical analysis, and use both to trade, so you can see how these things work. Okay, so you can see how these things work. So you can see how these things works. Who among you is going to be interested in bot trading? Like showing you guys how to trade with bots here on OB. Are you going to be interested in it? So are you going to be interested in trading with bots and making steady profit with it in such a way that people can actually decide to copy your bots, and you're going to even make more money through that? Okay, and you're going to even make more money through that. So feel free to let me know if you're going to be interested in stuff like that. So do you guys now have confidence in trading Chiliz, after seeing this analysis? Okay, are you now confident enough to trade it? Let me know. Let me know if you now have confidence. Let me know if you have any. This is the question and answer time question and answer time. Got any question? Ask me. Got any questions? Ask me. Got any questions? Ask me. I'm going to be here to answer the question that you have. If you got any question, don't forget to ask me in the comment box, because I'm going to be here to provide answers to your questions. So I hope you've been able to learn something today. Okay, I hope you've been able to learn something today. Then this video is going to be available on OB. Okay, so you can go back and watch it. Okay, you can watch it over and over again, so you can pick some insight from it. Then if you're also if you're active on YouTube, try and check out this channel. This is the Crypto channel. Subscribe to the channel. Look forward to having 1,300 subscribers very soon. So subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so that when I upload valuable content like this, you're going to be among the first set of people that will be aware about it. So if you go to videos, this is the videos. You can see that almost every day, 2 days ago, 5 days ago, 6 days ago, 7 days ago, like I upload valuable content consistently, okay, consistently, and that's a big deal if you ask me. That's a lot of big deal. So, like, if you're looking forward to jump starting your career in cryptocurrency and blockchain, this is the right place for you to start. Okay, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell. And also, if you're active on Telegram, don't forget to check it out. Check out crypto niche underscore hangs out. Okay, this is it. Crypto niche underscore hangs out. All right. So tm.me/crypto niche underscore hangs out. So if you search for this, you're going to be able to see this icon. Okay, same as the channel icon. Okay, it is the same icon as YouTube channel icon. So you're going to see this icon there. You'll be able to join this channel. All right. And this is where I share a couple of insights every day. okay, about crypto, what to do, what not to do, okay. So I share a lot of powerful insights right here. I don't want to miss out of this valuable information. So you can also check me out on Twitter, okay. On Twitter, this is my Twitter account. Uh, Here is it. Jenny Ayabami at CryptoNiche. That is my DM. So you can search for Jenny Ayabami at CryptoNiche, or you search for or Jenny underscore Ayobami, as you can see right here. So the follower base is growing gradually, as you can see. So yesterday I graduated from. Guys, you can send your congratulatory messages to me now. Okay, I'm expecting it. I finished from the Otash University. I got a nano degree in blockchain studies, from this university. Okay, this is going to be my launch pad for so like I got another degree from this university, and it makes a whole lot, guys. It makes a whole lot. So um here is it. Follow me on Twitter. I make tweets, regularly, and I retweet valuable content so you can see them. Okay, so that's why you need to follow me right here also. So if you go to my if you go to my website, I have a website here, and the gift is waiting for you. If you send me a message on WhatsApp, so open this in a new tab. This is my website. Okay, not a website per se, let me say landing page. Okay, so I have a gift. If you click on this icon, this button right here, it's going to take you to where the gift is. Okay, so it's a book on how to become a crypto millionaire before year end. Okay, so we are preparing for 2023 now, and you don't want to miss out of anything that is happening in the crypto world and in the community right now. So that's a book. It's a very short book. It's 7 pages plan to become Crypto Millionaire before year end. So it's a very short book, detailed and precise, straight to the point. Okay, so that's the gift I have for you. The secret is right there. So you can just go to jennyayobame.cr.co and download that book by yourself. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this live stream. Okay, this is going to be the end of it. Um, let me see, but let me check the OB mobile app for the last time and see if there is any question in the comment box so I can provide answers to your questions. So let me see, let me check real quick. Okay, let me check that. I have this feeling that you guys understand everything I've shared with you today. There is no question at the moment. So if you still have questions, join my group on OB, ask me a question, and I'll be here to engage with your questions in the group. Okay, so now that you don't have any question yet, that is incredible and that's also awesome. Okay, so feel free to send me a message in the group. Follow me. There is a follow button at the top of this live stream. So check out that follow button and follow me right now. Follow me right now, right away. Okay, follow me right now and be a part of my over 2,400 family on OB ecosystem. Okay, on OB Global. So that's it, guys. I'm going to